I'm Amanda, and today we're going to make a self or phonic phone. We're going to need a couple of items to start out. First, you need 2 plastic cups. Paper cups might work, but plastic is going to be better because it resonates the sound a little stronger. Solo cups will not work. Also, you need a toilet paper tube. You also need scissors, and you might need tape. First, we're going to take the cups and cut a circle in each of the cups. The circle should be about the same size as the toilet paper tube, so it can fit in. Cut both of these. And the next step is to insert the toilet paper tube inside the plastic cups. And there you have a phonic or self phone. This will be placed around your ear to cup the ear so you can hear. The other side will be at your mouth, and you can hear an echo sound, an amplified sound of my voice through this side of the phone coming out where my ear is. This is helpful for encouraging phonic awareness. This can be used in the classroom when students are reading among a group and they can really focus on their own phonetic awareness. This also is helpful at home when you're having kids to read out loud. It encourages them to do something fun, like speak on the phone and hear their own voice. This is helpful for literacy and phonic awareness. I hope that this works in your classroom or at your home. Thanks. Have a good day.